Hello, friends. I am a chartered accountant by profession with 25 years of experience. I struggled all my life to actually communicate with my customers or clients and convince them that I am the best in the business. It really struck me that when I am unable to speak what I have to deliver and how I can bring change in my customer's life, that's where I really struggled. And I attended one of the Speak to Sell Yourself session, which was conducted way back in 2021. And that's when I learned that how I can convince my customers with my services, where I can emotionally connect with them and help them to get my services and grow their business. The same thing had happened with Shankari. She's an advocate, and she also struggled while she was presenting herself before the Bar Association. Now, to speak to sell will really help you in understanding how you can present yourself before the various types of people whom you are interacting. Maybe it's your client, or maybe it's your maybe the judge, or how are you supposed to talk to your team. So there are many ways that you will learn in the Speak to Sell workshop. Another client of mine who was really struggling with their businesses because they were service oriented and they really could not get value passed across to the customer or the prospect and then can give the services, because it was very difficult for them to justify their value. Whatever being said was not getting the right impact. Again, the person attended the Speak to Sell Yourself workshop, and that person exactly understood what is the way the person can connect with their customer and how the customer can be converted into their client. And this is not something which I am talking from just to speak about it, but this is something which is personally I have experienced, and I'm in a position to also position myself as a proper chartered accountant and also giving good amount of services. Now, one more example which I would like to give you is that one of my clients was asking, Gayatri, I don't have time and I don't have really the energies to attend such kind of speak to sell workshop. I don't want to learn anything to speak because I already know something about my business. Exactly. You know a lot about your business, but you really have to learn the skill or the art on how it can be presented before all your prospects so that the prospects can connect with you and obviously give you the business. Now, this is where the Speak to Sell workshop will help you to understand as to how you can connect with your customer and sell your product or services. Now, let me tell you what exactly we are going to do in this Speak to Sell workshop. The Speak to Sell workshop will teach you first the elevator pitch. What are the various ways of elevator pitch? We all understand that we really need to have 30 seconds to really impress a person, and how we can be impactful and how we can impress him by selecting the right kind of words, and what is the formula or the template where we can do this for every customer or for every person whom we meet. So that's the first thing you're going to learn. The second thing, which is always basically a problem, is when I'm talking to my sales team or when I'm talking to my customer, how do I make a presentation? So most of the times in all the networking events, we really make that 8 minutes presentation so that we know how we can sell to the sales directors. Now, this is the place where you will understand that can be a structure which can be created for that, and you really can know how you can impress the client by, or rather impress your sales directors or your fellow members in the networking platform to help you to generate referrals for you. Now, the third thing what I would learn is the storytelling concept, because many of the times we understand what is a storytelling, but we really don't know how to execute it. So we'll teach you as to step by step how the storytelling can be utilized for you to speak to your customer, so that the customer has an emotional connect with you and you can sell it to him, and rather you can provide services which can be really value add for him and his business. So storytelling is what we are going to learn. The third thing important is that how we can give various keynotes in various occasions, like where we have been called for delivering a session. How can I have a structure to deliver those sessions? So that is also an equally important aspect, because when we are into various forums, we really need to know how we can deliver a session which can be impactful, and also being able to generate, I think, businesses from the people who are attending that session. So that is also again one more aspect where we would like to help you in generating business for yourself. So all in all, we in the 2 days workshop, what we do is we learn all these things, we implement it, we also execute it. So that is what is the uniqueness of this workshop, and I would request each one of you looking at this video should surely join that session. I will share the details with you in the description and in the caption, so that you can really get in touch with us and register for the event. Thank you. Bye bye.